Welcome back to the Revved Up channel. 2025 Ferrari 599 GTB Fiorano, a bold statement in black. The 2025 Ferrari 599 GTB Fiorano continues to be a symbol of Ferrari's unparalleled craftsmanship and performance. As Ferrari's premier front-engine sports car, the 599 GTB combines a lightweight aluminum frame with a powerful V12 engine, delivering a driving experience that justifies its premium price. This year, the Ferrari 599 GTB Fiorano makes a striking impression in a sleek, sophisticated black. The deep, glossy black finish not only enhances the car's elegant curves, but also imbues it with a sense of mystery and authority. While the design of the 599 GTB has been the subject of debate, the allure of seeing it in black reveals the car's true character and exceptional craftsmanship. The 2025 model builds upon Ferrari's tradition of performance with the GTO variant, which first appeared in 2011 and has since seen significant improvements. This more extreme version benefits from a comprehensive weight reduction, increased power, and finely tuned handling, which elevate the already impressive dynamics of the 599 GTB Fiorano. In black, the Ferrari 599 GTB Fiorano exudes an understated elegance and commanding presence. The dark hue complements the car's aggressive lines and aerodynamic design, making it a standout choice for those who seek both sophistication and performance. Whether you're navigating winding roads or hitting the track, the 599 GTB Fiorano in black promises an exhilarating and refined driving experience. 2025 Ferrari 599 GTB Fiorano, unleashing passion in Rosso Corsa. The 2025 Ferrari 599 GTB Fiorano is a masterpiece of Italian engineering, epitomizing Ferrari's dedication to crafting exceptional luxury sports cars. This iconic front-engine model marries an aluminum construction with a potent V12 engine, delivering a driving experience that makes its premium price seem almost like a bargain in the realm of high-performance automobiles. This year, the 599 GTB Fiorano continues to impress, especially when presented in the classic Ferrari red, or Rosso Corsa. The deep, vibrant hue of red not only accentuates the car's aerodynamic lines, but also amplifies its commanding presence on the road. While the design of the 599 GTB has generated its share of debate, the Ferrari 599 GTB Fiorano in Rosso Corsa demonstrates that this design must be experienced firsthand to be truly appreciated. The 2025 model continues to build on Ferrari's legacy of performance with several enhancements. The GTO variant, introduced in 2011 and refined over the years, now features a significant reduction in weight, increased power, and sharper handling. These upgrades have further heightened the already impressive blend of speed and sophistication that defines the 599 GTB Fiorano. The Ferrari 599 GTB Fiorano in Rosso Corsa is more than just a car, it's a statement of passion and excellence. Its striking red finish captures the essence of Ferrari's storied history and its commitment to creating vehicles that are not only visually captivating but also thrilling to drive. Whether on the track or the road, the 599 GTB Fiorano offers an exhilarating experience that resonates with the spirit of Ferrari's legendary performance. 2025 Ferrari 599 GTB Fiorano, a masterpiece in white. Ferrari's 599 GTB Fiorano stands as a testament to the Italian automaker's commitment to luxury and performance. As Ferrari's most illustrious front-engine offering, the 599 GTB combines an aluminum construction with a commanding V12 engine, delivering a driving experience that makes its price tag seem like a value proposition in the world of high-performance vehicles. In its 2025 iteration, the Ferrari 599 GTB Fiorano continues to captivate with its dynamic presence, now available in an exquisite shade of white that highlights its sculptural beauty and aggressive stance. While its exterior design has sparked debate among enthusiasts and critics alike, seeing the 599 GTB in person, particularly in this striking white hue, is an experience that reveals the full extent of its sophisticated allure. For 2025, Ferrari's dedication to excellence is evident in the 599 GTB's refined details and advanced technology. The new GTO model, introduced in 2011 and further evolved, benefits from a rigorous weight reduction program, enhanced power, and finely tuned agility. These improvements elevate the driving experience, transforming an already breathtaking blend of performance and elegance into something truly extraordinary. The 599 GTB Fiorano in white not only enhances its aerodynamic lines, but also reflects Ferrari's legacy of crafting cars that are as visually stunning as they are mechanically brilliant. Whether on the track or the road, this Ferrari offers a driving experience that is both exhilarating and sophisticated, making it a standout choice for connoisseurs of fine automotive. 2025 Ferrari 599 GTB Fiorano, radiating excellence in Giallo Medina. The 2025 Ferrari 599 GTB Fiorano represents the pinnacle of Ferrari's dedication to performance and luxury. As one of the most prestigious front-engine models in Ferrari's lineup, the 599 GTB Fiorano combines a lightweight aluminum body with a formidable V12 engine, offering a driving experience that transcends its price point. This year, the Ferrari 599 GTB Fiorano shines in a vibrant Giallo Medina, Ferrari's iconic yellow. This bold color choice not only highlights the car's dynamic lines and aggressive stance, but also reinforces its unmistakable presence on the road. While the design of the 599 GTB has sparked conversation among enthusiasts, the 2025 model in Giallo Medina exemplifies how this design can be truly appreciated when seen in person. The 2025 iteration of the Ferrari 599 GTB Fiorano includes significant enhancements, particularly with the GTO model, which was first introduced in 2011. This version benefits from extensive weight reduction, increased power, and refined handling, further amplifying the car's already impressive performance and sophistication. In Giallo Medina, the Ferrari 599 GTB Fiorano is more than just a high-performance vehicle, it is a statement of style and engineering excellence. The striking yellow finish complements the car's aerodynamic design and aggressive performance, making it a standout choice for those who appreciate both beauty and speed. Whether on the racetrack or cruising on the road, the 599 GTB Fiorano in yellow delivers an exhilarating and unforgettable driving experience.